In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Authy on iPhone. If you're setting up two-factor authentication for your accounts, Authy is a reliable option from Twilio. It runs on iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch, and you'll need iOS 15 or later for the best experience. Having the right authenticator matters because it protects your logins with time-based codes stored securely on your device. Let's start right on your iPhone. Open the App Store. Along the bottom, tap the Search tab to bring up the search field. In the box at the top, type Authy or Twilio Authy. In the results, find the official app. You're looking for Twilio Authy, published by Authy Inc. Checking the exact name and developer helps make sure you're installing the genuine app. When you've found it, tap Get. Your iPhone will ask you to confirm the download. Depending on your device, that could be with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Approve the download, then wait a moment while the app installs. The whole download usually takes less than a minute on a typical connection. You'll see the icon appear on your home screen as it finishes. When the installation completes, tap Open to launch Authy. A quick note on support and requirements. Authy is designed for Apple devices, including iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch, and it requires iOS 15 or later so it can install and run properly. Before we wrap up, a few important things to know. Twilio has discontinued the Authy desktop apps. Because of that, they recommend using the mobile app on iPhone or Android going forward. Also, when you begin using Authy, you'll be prompted to create a backup password for encrypted backups. Keep that password somewhere safe, because you may need it to recover your accounts later, and it can't be retrieved for you if it's lost. Finally, some users have reported temporary iOS app issues right after certain updates. These typically get resolved, but having access to a backup device can be helpful if you rely on your codes every day. And that's all there is to it. You've downloaded Authy on your iPhone, and you're ready to move on to setup and adding your accounts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.